welcome on to Classic Cortina. This is our first video in the restoration of this Mark 5 Ford Cortina. Today, bear with me, we have been to Derbyshire to pick up a V6 engine, 2.3 at Mark 2 Granada. So whilst we drive home, why don't you take a look at what's coming up over the next few weeks.
It's the 29th of June 2013. Welcome along to Classic Cortina. In this video we're going to be firing up the car for the first time since November 2012. So just doing his basic checks. Header tanks full of water, got that to do. Antifreeze mix. Radiator's got water in, which we've done. And we've just turned the engine over by hand on the bottom crank, which is a 19mm socket, so it's we've been sat a while. The fuel will have evaporated from the tank or gone stale, so when you've put fresh petrol in, you want to turn it over by hand just so it gets compression up in the cylinders, and then when you do go to fire it should hopefully fire straight away rather than taking quite a while. So it's been sat for a few months now. So, but I mean, this camera probably doesn't do it any justice really. It's absolutely covered in dust. So anyway, let's see how she goes on. Right then, let's have a go. Right, forgot to put a bloody air fleet on, let's go again. It took long enough, but we're there. So not bad. She's not started since last November 2012. Running really sweet. I expected it to be really lumpy. Choke's running quite nice, kicked in straight away. Not too much smoke. temperature now. Got some charging battery. And there we go. First video, introduction video into the restoration of this MK5 Ford Cortina. Now, over the years I've been involved with classic Fords, either through somebody having one or helping family and friends out that they had one. And in these next series of videos that we're going to upload to YouTube, you'll be seeing us taking a step-by-step part in restoring this car. Now, there's a funny story behind this car. I owned this car from 2009 for 3 years, and then I sold it, and I upgraded to a Ford Sierra. Now, that's all well and being, good car, you know, it does me well, but once you've had a Cortina you can't quite stop loving them. So I saw this car come back up on eBay and I bought it again, and here we are, second time round, and I'm going to restore it hopefully. So keep in touch on YouTube or Facebook, whatever you're watching it on. Comment, let me know what you think, if you need any help with anything, if you need any pointers. Any help from you guys would be appreciated, so just sit back and enjoy really. I'd just like to say thanks to Pete, who's restoring the MK5 Cortina at the moment on YouTube. He's been a bit of an inspiration, so hopefully I can do the same as he's doing. That's it for now.